Okay guys, we've got a new video on the go. Part 2 of the build. What am I looking at here? Is it this bit? Part 2 of the build. The build. It's not a build. It's a camper van that needs repairs. Not a huge amount of repairs, although we've made a lot of progress today. I have to say one little thing though. I've lost my gimbal. I don't have the ability to gimbal film things. So we're stuck with this, I'm afraid. Which is a little bit awkward for me. But you probably don't care, so that's fine. A lot of progress, a lot of good work's been done. We've made some welding work, well I've not, but the guys have actually finally got around to welding the front. Make that sound cheeky. They've done it in perfect time, I didn't mean it like that. The guys have got round to welding the front part of it, which is great. I am filming this a little bit weird, because there's things in the garage that are a little bit sensitive, so I don't want to show any other people's vehicles or anything like that with registration plate numbers and stuff like that. But as you can see, we've got this sorted here on the right, which is a beautiful job. We just need to get this fixed, but they're on that anyway. And we got this all welded in as well now, so that's looking amazing. What a job. Yesterday I got round to fiberglassing these holes at the top, yeah, which I'm going to today sand down and put filler in and blend it all nice. That was a pretty easy job, pain in the ass, but an easy enough job. All the new calipers, new discs, new brake pipes, custom made copper pipes as well here, absolutely brilliant. So that's all looking good, and all the back hubs have been done as well. The drum brakes have been done as well, so the new drum shoes are in there. Whole new mechanism with all the little parts. Don't ask me, I don't really know what they're all called. It's not my forte, to be quite frank with you. So today we're going to be getting on with this work here, which is all fairly easy, believe it or not. Well, not easy for me, but for the guys who know what they're doing. Just need to weld in a new plate here. Yeah, it's quite a common part of a T25, or most vans, to be rusted. And yeah, I'll probably try and fix up this as well while we're at it. But yeah, that's today's job. Not for me, I won't be doing the welding, but I will be going over. Apologies for the way I'm filming here, because it's, as I mentioned, it's a little bit sensitive. I don't want to bring anyone else's vehicles into it. I'll be sanding this down and applying filler. I would have hoped to have, actually been able to time lapse this and film it, but because I've not got my gimbal or any sort of equipment right now, I'm not able to do that until I get a new one. But anyway, a little update. Hope that helps you all guys out and see how we're getting on in part 2 of the fix. Remember, the best technique to use is if you go on YouTube and follow whatever I'm not doing. That's, I find, the best advice I can give you right now.